Hey everyone, Mama Sue here, back with another mystery box of brooches. This one came from Goodwill in Akron, Ohio. Gonna get it opened and see what's inside. It's 1.4 pounds. So a smaller box this time. And paper. All wrapped up. And here's the first look. Let's see what we got here. First we have this silver tone and clear rhinestone leaf cluster. Don't see any damage on it. It is unsigned. This one is going to be number 1 for $7. Number 1 for $7. Here we have a pink rhinestone butterfly. There's round and pear-shaped rhinestones. Gold tone metal. This one will be $7. Number 2 for $7. Here is a porcelain flower cameo, gold tone metal. Does have some glue around the sides. This one will be $3. Number 3 for $3. Here is a Christmas tree, gold tone metal. Clear rhinestones. It looks like it is missing some, so this will be a craft project. Number 4 for $1. There's a resin angel holding a cat. It is unsigned. This one will be $1. Number 5 for $1. Next is this gold tone metal, purple and fuchsia colored rhinestones and faux pearls. It is missing some rhinestones and faux pearls. It is unsigned. This one will be number 6 for $3. Number 6 for $3. Here's a nice poinsettia flower, red and green enameling, gold tone rhinestones in the center. It is gold tone metal, unsigned. However, it is missing the closure there, so this one will be another craft project for $1. Number 7 for $1. Next is a puffed heart. Looks like it's made out of some pink agate stone, most likely handmade by the closure on the back. This one will be $2. Number 8 for $2. Next we have a leaf cluster, gold tone metal, faux pearls. I don't see any damage. This one is signed, Crown Trifari. And then looks in great condition. I'm going to say 16 on this one. Number 9 for $16. Next we have, looks like a little Asian girl with a hat or umbrella holding flowers. I do see a couple rhinestones missing. Silver tone metal. This one will be $1. Number 10 for $1. Here is porcelain flower bouquet. Very pretty. Looking for, oh, there's one little chip right there. That's all I'm seeing. This one is marked Dorothy Ann, China, made in England. So it's fine bone china. I'm going to say 7 on this piece. Number 11 for $7. Here's a leaf wreath, silver tone metal, signed Jerry's. This one will be $2. Number 12 for $2. Next we have a crown on a safety pin style with 4 chain dangles. Clear rhinestones, and it is missing one rhinestone in the middle. Unmarked. This one will be $1. Number 13 for $1. Next we have a gazelle, black enamel, clear rhinestones. It is missing a couple rhinestones. Silver tone metal. This one will be $1 also. Number 14 for $1. Next is this. Looks like peridot color, green rhinestones, clear rhinestones, and art glass. Looks like a milky white with some green in it. It is missing a couple rhinestones though. Those are actually just a little discolored, so that could be an easy fix. It is unsigned. I'm going to say $5 on this one. Number 15 for $5. Here we have a holly berry leaf with a bow, gold tone metal, green enamel. Is unsigned. This one will be $1. Number 16 for $1. We have a hair or a hat pin. Silver tone metal, has faux pearls and AB rhinestones. This one will be $5. Number 17 for $5. Next we have a tennis racket, gold tone metal with faux pearl. It is signed Avon. This one will be $5. Number 18 for $5. Next we have this hat or hairpin. Has milky pink cabochons, pink and red rhinestones with a little faux pearl on top. Does have a little wear down here. I'm going to say $7 on this one. Number 19 for $7. Next we have this red clear and blue rhinestone star. Nice patriotic brooch. It is signed OTC, gold tone metal. This one will be $6, number 19 for $6. And we have a ladybug, gold tone and metal, red and black enamel, clear rhinestones. It is signed AAI. This one will be $5, number 20 for $5. Next we have a sunflower, beautiful enameling on it, gold tone metal. Does have a maker's mark. I'm not familiar with that mark though. It looks like a upside down triangle inside of a triangle. This one will be $7, number 21 for $7. Here we have a frog. Has a green cat's eye belly, green enameling, green rhinestone eyes, but it is missing a rhinestone in its eye. It is marked AI. This one will just be $1, number 22 for $1. Here is a Noel Christmas pin with a jingle bell at the bottom. It is marked JJ. This one will be $5, number 23 for $5. Here is a reindeer. Does look like it's missing some rhinestones. Unsigned, this one will be $1, number 24 for $1. And we just have an abstract shape, brushed gold tone. Does need to be cleaned up. Unsigned. This one will be $1 too, number 25 for $1. There is a dog in a Santa hat, enamel with AB rhinestone, gold tone metal, unmarked. Does need to have some wear on it, so I'm just going to say $1 on this one too. This one will be number 26 for $1. This is, it looks like a little framed scene of a bedroom with a Santa costume hanging on the bed. Has a nice frame to it. You can always change that out. Gold tone metal. I'm going to say $5 on this piece. Number 27 for $5. There's a Christmas tree, pretty blue enamel and Aurora Borealis rhinestones, silver tone metal. It is unmarked. I'm going to say $7 on this. Number 28 for $7. Here's some Christmas bells. Got red beads, green enamel, gold tone metal. It is signed Jerry's. This one will be $3, number 29 for $3. And we have a safety pin with some art glass beads on it and a leaf. This one will be $1. Number 30 for $1. Here's a Christmas wreath. Looks like it has lots of wear on the enameling. Gold tone metal. This one will be $1. Number 31 for $1. We have some pear and baguette shaped rhinestones, faux pearls, silver tone metal. Looks like it is signed. I believe this one is Marvella. Very nice. I'm going to say $12 on this piece. Number 32 for $12. Another Christmas tree, gold tone metal, rhinestones. It's missing a rhinestone there. It is not signed. I'm going to say $1 on this piece. Number 33 for $1. Little Christmas candle is green, clear, and red rhinestones. They are prong set, gold tone metal. This one is just going to be $1 too. Number 34 for $1. There is a Noah's Ark. All the animals inside the ark. Gold tone metal. This one is signed AJC. This one will be $5. Number 35 for $5. Here is gold tone metal with black onyx in the center. Nice filigree work around the ends. This one is signed. Winard, 12 karat gold filled. There's also a pendant. That's going to be a black onyx center. This one I'm going to say $12. Number 36 for $12. There are layered maple leaves. The one is just gold tone and the other one is enameled. It is unsigned. I'm going to say $4 on this one. Number 37 for $4. We have two flowers, green rhinestones and enamel, silver tone metal, unsigned. This one will be $2. Number 38 for $2. Next we have a gold tone. Looks like different shades of green rhinestones. Unsigned. Oh, yes, it is signed on the bar. This is signed Coro. I want to test and see if this glows. I'll shut the light off a second. And they do glow. So that has uranium glass and some of the rhinestones. I'm going to say $15 on this Coro, number 39 for $15. Next we have some Christmas bells. Lots of Christmas in this box. Silver tone metal, blue and green enamel, red beads. This one is unsigned. This one will be $2. Number 40 for $2. Here are some poinsettia flowers, red, green, and yellow enamel, gold tone metal. This one will be $2 also, number 41 for $2. Here's a gold tone heart with a ribbon. Unsigned, this one will be $1, number 42 for $1. Here's a pressed metal butterfly, gold tone metal. This one will be $1, number 43 for $1. This is an enamel on copper, looks to be handcrafted. Looks like a cat with a long tail. This one will be $5, number 44 for $5. Here is a heart, the word joy, gold tone metal, clear rhinestone, unsigned. This one will be $1, 45 for $1. Here's a cameo. It's just a resin material, orange and cream color, unsigned. This one will be $6, number 46 for $6. Here is a flower basket. Looks like jade glass beads and marcasite. Definitely looks sterling. It is marked right there, 925. So this is sterling silver and marcasite with jade glass. We'll set that on the side and test that. Here is a silver tone flower. Also a pendant. It is marked best. Does have some discoloration. This one is just going to be $1, number 47 for $1. Ladybug, nice blue swirled enameling on it, blue glass rhinestones, gold tone metal. This one will be $5, number 48 for $5. Here's a heart wreath, gold tone metal. Signed Jerry's. This one will just be $1, number 49 for $1. A bar brooch with faux pearls. It is missing one faux pearl. Gold tone, 1928 brand. I could tell by the design on the back. Since this needs repairs, it'll just be $1, number 50 for $1. Here's a gold tone tennis racket, unsigned. This one will be $1 also, number 51 for $1. Oh shit, Lucky Shamrock. Has some nice enameling to it. Silver tone metal. This one will be $1, number 52 for $1. And the last one is a little flower basket. Looks like it has a faux pearl in the center. Rhinestones, gold tone metal, unsigned, and that one will also be $1, number 53 for $1. Now we'll test out the sterling. I'm using the 18 karat gold tester. Should turn a milky blue color if it is sterling. And that's what we're looking for. So that one is sterling silver and marcasite with jade glass. So I'm going to say, it is an older pin. I'm going to say 25 on this one. Number 54 for $25. And that is everything from out of this box. If you see something you want, mark sold in the number below. We invoice every Monday, so that way you can combine the items throughout the week. However, if you want your invoice sooner, just email vintagevagabondvends@gmail.com. All the information for the sale and unboxing is down in the description below. I thank you for watching and hope you have a great day.